Hey guys, thanks for coming and hanging out with the Trail Necks. Today we're going to be doing what Trail Necks do best, and that's a little bit of trail riding. Now, to give you a little introduction for today's video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going to our home trail system, which is Spearhead Trails, the Mountain View Trail location over in St. Paul, Virginia. And we're going to be checking out a trail that we've been hearing some rumors about. It's a little harder than what most people think it is, and that is trail number 19. Now, normally when we ride over there, we haven't ridden all the trails, but one trail that's been pretty far off of our actual parking lot entrance that we haven't hit up is trail number 19. And we've heard that even though it's listed as a blue trail, which is a medium trail, it's been pretty hard for a lot of people to go through there. We've heard of people having to winch through there. We've heard of, just people having a pretty rough time over there. And another thing that just confirmed the rumors was on Memorial Day, there was a Polaris Ranger that flipped or wrecked over on that trail. There it is. And it looked like it was a pretty bad time for that person. It's a small town where it gets around. Once we found out about that, we definitely made our minds up that we had to hit this thing. Now, unfortunately, I was not able to go to this trail because when we were riding Brimstone on Memorial Day, I did break, I didn't break. I bent two radius rods on my Can-Am Maverick X3, and I got some parts coming for upgrade kit. I got a long travel suspension kit coming for it, but it's on back order, so I'm having to wait a little bit just for it to get in. It says it's not going to ship till July 15th, so I got a pretty good wait, but I'm going to be doing some upgrades and stuff. Now, coincidentally, after they rode this trail, Spearhead Trails announced that this trail was closed due to construction. So, speculation is they're either going to make it easier or they're going to make it harder, because I know a lot of people are into the technical stuff. Comment down below what you think they're going to do. Are they going to make it easier, or are they going to make, expand that portion of the trail because people like the technical stuff? I don't know. We'll find out, but we're going to keep you updated on it. And speaking of that, if you haven't done so, please consider subscribing to this channel. We like to do off-roading videos with our side-by-sides and stuff. We like to do parts install, tire reviews and stuff like that. And we'll keep you updated on this particular trail. And when it opens back up, we'll do another follow-up video. And if you're a subscriber, it'll allow you to keep up with our latest and greatest stuff that we're doing. And we do got some cool stuff coming. Like, for instance, in July, we're going to be going to this UTV takeover event, it's a kind of a big deal in UTV or side-by-side world. They're going to have some cool stuff. It's coming to actually my favorite location I've ever been to. They're coming to Coal Canyon, which is part of the Spearhead Trails, and they're going to be doing like some drag racing, mud pits, barrel racing, and there's supposed to be one guy that even is supposed to be doing, I think, a 150-foot jump. And they're going to have a bunch of vendors there and stuff, and they're going to have some demo rides and stuff like that from Kawasaki and Yamaha. Maybe I'll be able to check one of those out. I don't know. We'll find out. We'll see. Hopefully I'll get some good footage from that. Now, as you can tell, this isn't going to be a normal video like we've done in the past. Normally we'll be riding along in my Can-Am Maverick X3. However, with it being out of commission for today's ride, we're going to be riding along with Jared in his RZR XP4, which, if you haven't checked one of those machines out, they are awesome trail riding machine. If you're in the market for a trail riding machine, it's definitely one to consider. It's longer than normal, where it's a 4-seater, so it's going to ride smooth. It's going to give you an advantage on hill climbs. You're going to have extra storage space if you're not hauling around 4 people. If you're riding around 2, it's going to give you extra storage space in your back seats. And I know Jarrett loves this machine, and he would probably definitely buy it again. He'd probably get the turbo version, honestly, because after he rode my X3, I know he's been wanting one of those. But with that being said, Jarrett did make a little mistake. He did leave his audio on. So I've had to go through and take out a lot of audio in this. And when I mean he left his audio on, I mean he was playing his radio. And unfortunately, YouTube doesn't like copyrighted music in your videos. So I'm not trying to get a copyright strike there. So I'm going through, I'm just doing this voiceover for the intro. Once it's over with, I'm going to be doing some music and stuff from the YouTube audio library. The good news for you guys is that I've listened to quite a few of those songs, and I've picked out the ones I think that are pretty decent. Now granted, it's still, copyright free to use music, so it's not going to be the greatest, A lot of people complain about that type of music, but it's what I got to work with. So sit back and enjoy the trail ride.